In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a payment method in Framer. This guide is perfect for beginners and you do not need any technical knowledge to follow along. Framer is mainly used for building websites, but if you want to sell something, collect payments, or run a paid service, you will need to connect a payment provider like Stripe. Framer does not directly process payments itself, so we connect it through integrations. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. Log in to your Framer account. After logging in, you will see your dashboard with your projects. Now, open the website project where you want to accept payments. Click on the project to enter the Framer editor. Before adding payments inside Framer, you need a Stripe account. Open a new tab and go to stripe.com. Click Start Now and create your account. You will need to enter your email, business details, and bank information so Stripe knows where to send your money. Follow their setup steps until your Stripe account is fully activated. Once your Stripe account is ready, go to the Stripe dashboard. On the left side, click on Developers, then click on API keys. You will see two important keys, Publishable key and Secret key. Keep this page open, but do not share these keys with anyone. Now, go back to Framer. Inside the Framer editor, look at the top right corner and click on Insert. In the Insert panel, search for Forms if you want to collect customer details along with payment, or search for Embed if you are using a Stripe payment link. The easiest method for beginners is using Stripe payment links. Go back to Stripe. On the left menu, click on Payment Links, click Create Payment Link, add your product name, price, currency, and any other details. When done, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link URL. Copy that link. Return to Framer. Click Insert, choose Embed, and drag the Embed component onto your page where you want the payment button or checkout to appear. In the right side settings panel, paste your Stripe payment link into the URL or Embed field. Framer will now connect that section to Stripe's checkout. Resize and position the embed section properly on your page. You can also add text like Buy Now or Complete Your Payment above it to make it clear for visitors. If you want a button instead, add a button component in Framer. Select the button, go to the link settings on the right, and paste your Stripe payment link there. Now, when someone clicks the button, they will be taken to Stripe's secure checkout page. After setting everything up, click Publish in the top right corner of Framer. Your website will go live with the payment option. To test, open your live site and try making a test payment using Stripe's test card details, which you can find in Stripe's documentation. This ensures everything works before real customers use it. That's it. You have successfully added a payment method to your Framer website using Stripe. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching.